Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to show you some basic steps to do to add mu'tamers and groups and use Babel Umrah system to issue MOFAs and to review all the numbers and the statistics. Here is the main screen after you sign in into your account with the password and username that I have sent. As you can see here, you can find some statistics data, things like the MOV account that you have issued so far, and the entry that you have, your Jama'at entry that have entered already, number of exit, all these statistics you can, review later on and see what's most important here. And here also there are some circulars and notice from the Ministry of Hajj you can review. This is updated daily or every time that the ministry will send a notice to companies and agents around the world to tell them about new policies, new rules or whatsoever. So what's important today is how to issue and create groups and create jama'ats. Simply you go to the button, says groups, and then to create group you only press create group. Name the group with the reference that you need to name. Let's say you want to name them after your sub-agent, perhaps your sub-agent ABC, who is traveling on 15th of November. You can name them this way. Choose, of course, Kuala Lumpur, and select package. Here you will only select any package, no problem. Why? Because after you issue the MOFA, you will have to change the package to the exact package that your Jama'ah is using. I will explain this later. Let's say your Jama'ah is coming for Beit al-Juwar for 7 days, and then after Beit al-Juwar in Mecca, they are going to Al-Rawda Hotel in Medina using Hafil transport. You will have to create a package that have these details, these hotels, an actual package. This one you have to do. So for now, no problem. Choose anyone. And then we put the date expected that you're traveling on. Let's say 25th. Automatically, it will give then the departure date just as the package mentioned here. So here is 7 days, it gives 7 days, but it's not important, as I said, because you will change it later. This one is for your reference. If you want to do, up to you, any notes you want to add. Once you have completed this information, just click on create. Here you can start doing the passports using the scan. Start scanning and then upload the picture. It can be anything at all. It will adjust itself to the sizes and the capacity allowed, and then just fill up this thing with the correct information. And press on create. Record has been saved successfully. Now if this group is one person, that's it, you already added one person. If you want to have more than, of course, more than one, you can go on and keep adding new passport. You keep adding until you stop. You just press create. Okay, now let's have one more in here. This group are 2. It's okay, it can be the same person, not a big deal. Create. Now I am done. I will just, okay, here it says because we repeated the same passport, it says done. So after you got the message saying that your record has been saved successfully, you just go to groups and search group without putting anything, just put in search. You will see this is the groups you have just created. This is the person you have just created. If more than one, it will show also here how many. All you have to do to send to me is select and send. Were sent to MOH, Ministry of Hajj and Umrah. Okay, once you send, it will appear in my system. I will simply issue it, and then after I issue the MOFA, you will find the MOFA right here under status. Now it's with UO. The status will change, saying MOFA or got number or something. Just press on it in green, just press on it and the MOFA will appear. Okay, this I believe you have issued already. You simply just send. Now after you send, what you have to do is to change. After you receive the MOFA, what you have to do is to get the right package for your Mortimers. What you have to do, just go to Mortimers, change package, and then select not entered and put search. Now supposedly if there were any MOFA issues, all the Mortimers will appear right here, but since now you don't have any MOFA, then nothing will appear. What you have to do anyway is to create change package. This is very important. Once you get the MOFA for the Jama'at, you have to change to the actual package. Package name, put the group you have, the name of the group. Let's say Sub-Agent ABC, who is coming on the 15th of November. Okay, this is fixed. You will not change this. It's always transportation type air and room type quad. This is fixed. You don't have to change. Now what you have to change, we start with the order. What do we mean by order? Are we going to arrive first to Mecca or to Medina? Let's say this Jama'at is arriving first to Medina, so I will have to put number 1 right here. Just delete 2 and put number 1, and then Mecca, of course, the sequence will be the second. So if I'm arriving to Medina first, I have to put order number 1 in Medina and then order number 2 in Mecca, or vice versa, or the other way around. Okay, so if this is the way, in Medina we select the hotel. If you don't find the hotel, please let me know, ask me, I will get it for you. Okay, let's say Diyar Al-Ma'mura Hotel. You are staying here for 12 nights. Please do the exact package. If they are staying, however, how long they are staying in a city, please put in. In Mecca hotel, we also use the real hotel, Az-Zaidi Ajiyad, staying 7 nights, let's say. Okay, and then transportation company, which company are you using? Make sure it exists. If not, you let me know. Let's say Hafil. Okay, nothing to be added here. And then just save. Record are saved. Once you get this message, just press on agree, close, give it like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. This package you have created will be shown right here with the name. Okay, So once you have done this, it will appear here. Just choose it from the drop down list, select on the mu'tamar, put the arrival date if it's different than the one shown, and then update and then change package, you see. But because we don't have mu'tamars or packages, that's why. You just select update and then select change package. It will show you the package was changed successfully. Like this, you have created groups and you have put the group into their real packages, hotels and transportation. You may go around and see the features of the system. The system is super easy, very functional. One more important thing you have to do is to add the delegates for Mutawaf visa. Go to operations, delegates from external agent, and add the information of these mutawifs. You have, as I told you earlier, 3 mutawifs during the season. You can change next season. Please make sure that these 3 are permanent, because it's not easy to change them later on. So just press on delegates from external agent. Something wrong with my system. And then add their positions and their passport number as in passport, sorry, and their names also as in passports. Why? Okay, sorry for this connection caused by my internet. So as you can see here, 3 required names. You have to put the manager of the mutawaf, of course, the one who will be coming and going repeatedly. Put the name, passport number, and nationality. Please make sure everything is 100% correct, and then press save and then press send. After you save, there will be a send button. Please send. Let me know so I can approve it. That will be all for today. If you need anything else, if there is any inquiry, please don't hesitate to call me or send me a message. Thank you and have a good day.